What is going on, my good old friends of YouTube? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen up. We have to break down Palantir in this one, which, guys, I'm sure you saw. We hit another all-time high this morning at almost $68 per share. And guys, right now we're up around 1%. I think earlier today we were up 3-4%, maybe even more than that. Yeah, actually almost 6%. So guys, we have to do an update on the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks for Moo. Check out the link down below, which, guys, you have a couple more days to do that. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. I'm telling you, and the clock's ticking, so use that link down below or go to stassurfest.com/moo and let's get right into the video. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in as always. So Palantir right now is up 0.75%, and this morning, like I said, guys, we hit almost $68 per share, another all-time high, and we were up 5.5 to 6% in the morning. Crazy. And since that point, we have cooled off a little bit. Now we're at what, $64.80. So we are down about $3 from the intraday high, or about let's see, 4.5-5%, nothing too crazy. So guys, this move that we saw this morning shouldn't be a surprise to you. We covered this on the channel yesterday, literally, or was it the day before? Either way, we covered it. The point is, we covered it, guys. Look, let me show you this on the 5-day. If I pull it up and show you, we have these two trend lines right here. One's at 65.40 to 30. The other one is at 67.50, which was the previous all-time high. You guys remember that. Vaguely, that was, or, roughly, that was the all-time high. So here on the 20-day chart, if I zoom in, do you guys remember these two levels we talked about in my video? I think it was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. We covered this. One level was $65.40. If I zoom in right here, you guys can see this was from the 15th of November, and the other level was $67.50, right, which was the old all-time high. We hit that on the 18th in the pre-market. That was last Monday. So we hit that last Monday. Then we sold off after last Monday. You guys probably remember that. We sold off a little bit into Tuesday last week, Wednesday, right? Then we kind of consolidated a bit. So I told you guys heading into this week, $65.40. If we gapped out of that level, if we gapped above it, I told you guys that's the only resistance between us and all-time highs. I told you guys, look, if we gap out of there, we could fill the gap to 67.50, and lo and behold, that's exactly what we did today, right? We gapped out of 65.30 in the morning in the pre-market, and we went on that run in the pre-market all the way to that all-time high. Now we've sold off, and mind you, now we are under 65.40, 65.30, which again was the high from 10 days ago. So this is what you have to watch out for in the short term. So like I said, we broke out of 65.40, filled the gap to 67.50. All right, now we pulled back down. We filled the gap back down to 65.30, and now we're under it. We're at 64.75. So heading into the rest of the day, by the time you're watching this video, the market's wrapped up. So heading into the rest of the day, even into tomorrow, I'm looking to see what PLTR does at 65.30. Does it retake that point, and does it start moving again back to all-time highs? That is what the bulls need to do right now in the short term. They have to retake 65.30, 65.40, and start making that move back towards 67, $65.68. That would be ideal. So I'm going to set my alert at $65.40. And I'm telling you guys, if the bulls can retake that mark, which might happen today, tomorrow, we'll see, whatever day it happens, if it even does happen, if they retake that, boom, we could fill the gap quite aggressively, again, like we did in the pre-market today. It's possible from 65.30 all the way back to 67.50. That could fill like that, right, with the way Palantir stock has been trading. So in a nutshell, in 5 minutes here, guys, that's how long I've been filming. That is what I'm thinking in the short term, very short term here on the charts. So, yeah, there you have it. I mean, we had that head and shoulders last week. We covered it. But obviously, we broke out of the neckline being about 63, 63.40. So that was out of the window, and that's where the bulls really started coming in. Once we broke that neckline, boom, this thing started to explode. So, guys, this is why you have to subscribe here on YouTube, because we're doing these updates multiple times per week, and we cover this stuff. We're not always right, obviously. I'm not going to come up here and be like, oh, yeah, we've nailed every call out. I'm the best ever, right? That's a bunch of BS, right? We're wrong. Sometimes we're right. Sometimes that's how it goes. But, you know, if you want to see these moves being called out, we nailed this one. You guys have to subscribe. We're closing in on 44,000 subs, and I think we could get to 50,000 potentially before the end of the year. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you all as always. So that's what's going on right now on PLTR. And personally, guys, I'm not selling. I'm not buying more right now. I'm just holding on. I'm curious what you guys are doing. Let me know down below in the comments. But for me, I'm just holding on as of right now. And that's a quick breakdown on today, or for today's breakdown. Hope you guys enjoyed it, right? So let's talk about quickly a couple other movers that I have on my watch list. This one's moving today, ticker symbol NAIL. I'm not sure what this is. I might have had this on my watch list from a while ago. I don't know what exactly it is. It looks like it's a 3X ETF. I might throw it off the watch list, or maybe I should keep it on there so I remember to look a little bit deeper into it. But NAIL is up 16%. Big move for that one today. Other stocks like JWN are moving. Nordstrom is up 6%. Looks like we're gunning for the highs from about a month ago, middle of October. We hit about $25. Now we're at $24.60. Getting awfully close there, guys. If that breaks $25, this could be going even higher. So I'm going to set my alert. Mark is at or above $25 per share on JWN. So we'll see how that plays out. Looks like other ones are moving today, like WBD, Warner Brothers, Discovery, which, man, this one is catching fire lately. I was looking at the stock at around $7-8. Never bought it. Now it's at $10.30. Maybe I should have bought a little bit. But clearly we broke out of the multi-month resistance at $8.75 on WBD. And now we're at $10.37. Completely breaking out on the 4-hour chart. Not so much on the 3-year chart. But the 1-year chart looks decent. We're building up momentum. So keep your eyes on WBD. And with that being said, guys, I guess that's it for the video. Smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Join the email list in the description box down below. It is free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday. I actually just sent an email out earlier today to over 1,400 people. So make sure you guys join that and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Up to 15 stocks. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.